Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Directions. Brew coffee using 1½ cups cold water. Pour hot brewed coffee into pitcher. Add sweetener, if desired. Stir until dissolved. Serve over ice. Instant iced coffee. Combine 1 cup boiling water and 3 tablespoons Folgers Classic Instant Coffee Crystals in pitcher. Add sweetener, if desired.
Take our lead.
You can keep brewed coffee in the fridge for up to a week, although it will not taste or smell as good as a freshly brewed cup. Just make sure to cover your cup or carafe to keep your drink from absorbing the scents and aroma of other foods or beverages inside the fridge.
Take our lead.
To make a cup of iced coffee, fill a cup with ice. Pour coffee over ice. Add 1/2 cup water per 1/2 cup of concentrate as the coffee will be very strong. And add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the simple syrup or until desired sweetness level is reached. 9 October 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
A super smooth, less acidic, and highly caffeinated coffee that can be served hot or cold. Iced coffee is brewed using hot water to extract flavor, resulting in a hot cup of coffee, which is then poured over ice. Think flavor dilution.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.